All right, we're here at a 150 gallon per minute treatment system at a quarry. This is a rental system rather than a permanently installed one, but the site's stormwater runs into this little pond right here, and we have a floating submersible attached to that orange raft, which pumps it into this first tank right here. So when the pond fills up, that submersible pump kicks on, and as we go in to the first tank, we have our polymer injection line. We're using a aluminum coagulant. So this is water that's been injected. Shake it up, and we'll see the reaction in a minute start to take place. So the water reacts in this tank and flows by gravity down here. We have a mid-port 6-inch equalization line into this second tank, and we take water from the back of the second tank and pump it through this sand filter. You can hear the backwash kicking right now. And then once it goes through the sand filter, it gets sent to discharge. We're using two different types of polymers. You can see them here. And then this is our monitoring skid. You can see the water's coming out at 1.4 NTU. And our flow rate is 100, and it's bouncing around about 150 GPM, but it's got the backwash cycle going. So these are my two polymer pumps. They're automated so that when the pumps kick on, the polymer injection kicks on. It's a 10 horsepower booster pump, and then our discharge line goes down into that culvert, so we bypass the pond. I took this sample of raw water, and right here is the water that I just injected with the first dose of polymer, so you can see it already starting to react. Right here, it's what the raw water looks like, and then you can see the flock particles start to form, and those should drop out, and we'll start to see it drop in the next few minutes. But we have about an hour of residence time in the tanks, so plenty of settling time. That the water gets a lot cleaner by the time it gets to the sand filter. And we'll just take our treated water. Now this is a sample line of water that's going down the drain. This is what we're pumping out right now. Close this valve. And you can see our raw water next to the treated water as it goes into the tanks, and our discharge water. You can see that break starting to form on the top of our treated water bottle as the dirt, all the suspended solids start to settle to the bottom. So that's this treatment system. It's working really well, and yeah, I look forward to next season. We're about at the end of the rain season this year, but this system has performed well all winter.